Welcome back to another video, YouTube. It's a bank holiday at Trackday in Mondello Park. I've just spent a small fortune on the M3, got the diff rebuilt and got the rod bearings. Got the rod bearings done as well by the main man, Philip Wright Motors. Jeremy, do you want to say hello to the video?
Hello, video.
Got new straps. Got new straps there, they look cool as well. Look at that. Put on this fiberglass. Put on this myself. Nice fence. And the diff. Yeah. Can you see that? All the new nuts in here. Gave the 530 a wash as well. Looks well. Oh, there's a bit of building going on there. Right, get her loaded up. The main things were full diff rebuild with racing bits and pieces as part of that. Rod bearings done, including new oil pump with a racing shaft, if that's correct. New track rod ends on the front. Tightened things that were loose, which really shouldn't be loose. That was my fault. For another little session there. To be honest, that felt absolutely fucking lovely. The car felt so controlled. Twitchiness at the back. It's not kicking out like and coming back like it was before. You can feel it sliding, but not doesn't snap, if that makes sense. They're just little smooth slides. It was really tight steering, suspension. Wow, I have to say, Philip Wright knows his shit. Paul! What the fuck is that? I told him to drop the Philip Wright, you know your man, he looked at this. Because he's fucking... I'm trying to put it in the next video that it's like, you know, if I was cleaning the kitchen, I'd do behind the fridge and fucking all that. That's Philip Wright's your car.
Yeah, yeah.
Not just like, yeah, that's all good. They're the wrong size nuts. that's not torqued enough. They're not this.
Yeah.
No, you don't fucking. Man.
That's what you want though.
In the fuel charge, I'm gonna have to charge you for.
You want the one finger or the two?
€4 per lap. Donington last year. You know what I mean?
That is good grip in it.
Yeah. Clean run after, they got a clean lap.
Yeah. No.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
You're supposed to go.
Of course not.
I was going to say that was a great video, but you decide if it's a great video or not. Car is like a different animal altogether. Much more predictable in cornering and much more corner speed exiting corners. I feel like the car is the way it should be now. It was a great experience over the last year learning to drive the car, but it got to the stage where it was quite nerve-wracking and unpredictable, so that's probably the difference between an open diff and a limited slip diff. So there you go. If any engineers are watching this or people who know about that stuff, is that, am I talking shite there, or is that the truth? Anyway, see you in the next video.